Congratulations to your honor, aka Ian, for winning the 1 million points channel. As his reward, he is making me do a room tour in my new room because I just switched room over from this room to the one next doors. So yeah, I'll give you a tour. So let's go in. This is the new room. As you can see, the colors are now red and gray instead of gray and green. Yeah, so next to my bed, I had some space left because this room is bigger than my previous one. So I decided to put my workout stuff in this space, so I get reminded more often to like use my dumbbells. Then this is the Wi-Fi. I still have to fix the cables and stuff. And then over on this wall, I want my puzzle on the wall. I still have the barcode for my alarm app to help me wake up. Then behind my door, I have my clothing. Yeah, so I threw away a lot of stuff, so there still are a lot of empty spaces in my closets. Also some empty spaces over here. It's all empty. Maybe I need to buy more stuff. This is where I keep my taekwondo stuff. All the belts, white, green, yellow, blue. And then this is where my precious warrior books are, with the dragon. And I still have some family pictures that I need to find a new place for. And then over here are some more clothes and books. So yeah, I skipped this one. This is like also for clothing. So then next to the closet we have the desk where I will be studying now. It's right next to the window, so it's actually pretty good that I have light from my right side, and then the left side will also have light, so I will have lights from every direction. So there will not be a shadow when I write, because that can be really annoying. Yeah, a puzzle from my family, and then the TV, so that's nice. I have a TV now, and then maybe the best part of my new room is the couch. I have a couch now, very exciting. The whiteboard, I'm thinking of putting it on that wall. It kind of fits perfectly. Then over here I have, yeah, my school stuff. And then my trash can. It's actually two trash cans put into each other, because this one has kittens on it. Very cute and stuff. And then I also have like a second chair in my room right now. And then the radio. All right, haha, let's get to the fish. So, my fish are now right next to my bed. And you can still see them with the camera, so they will still be on stream. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's like something for the cameras in my room now, and it makes a lot of sound. But so far it didn't bother me yet for the sleeping. Because it's still louder than my the filter in my aquarium, because it also makes sounds, but I can't hear it because of the other sound. But so far it didn't bother me yet. Is there something that I missed in the room tour? I think I've showed everything. It's only 4 minutes. I can show you, like, this is where I keep my stuff for my fish, like the product I use to like get the water better. And then some more stones. And then this is the food, like two different types. These are like floats and these are pearls. This is the view that I have when I watch TV from my bed. So far I've only tried once to watch TV before going to bed, and I fell asleep in the middle of the episode, so I don't think that's something I can do, watch TV before going to sleep. because I couldn't finish the episode. I still have to watch it actually. And then the fish right next to me. But yeah, this is my room tour. I showed the guys like basically everything. The whiteboard will go over there, and then the wolf puzzle will go on this wall. And yeah, that's it. I'm pretty happy with this room. Like, it's bigger, and I think my desk is in a better position right now. That's it for the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you could. And then I'll see you guys on the next video or live stream. Goodbye.